Hi, today I'm sharing something different from my usual how-to videos. I tried a silent live stream to boost my watch hours and hit the 4,000 hour goal. As you know, we recently crossed the 1,000 subscriber mark, and to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour on your long form video, or 10 million short views. And given that we've crossed the 1,000 subscriber mark, we haven't crossed the watch hour mark. We are somewhere in the middle, but to cross the 4,000 watch hour, I decided to try a silent live stream because I've seen a lot of people make video here on YouTube saying that you can boost your watch hour with the silent live stream. I thought it could be a great way to passively increase my watch hours without having to create a lot of new content. So I decided to try this method. Yeah, so how did I set it up? How I did mine was this. I came onto my YouTube here and I clicked this plus sign here, and where it said live, what I did first was to flip my camera so I can be facing what I wanted to display. I was using my mobile to live stream, and I used the solo depth to cover my back screen. At the beginning of the live stream, I was waiting for people to join me. I wanted people to join me so we could just interact, but no one was joining. So I decided, why not make it a silent live stream, which I did. I didn't want to show my face. I just wanted it something to passively gain me watch hours. While the live stream was going on, I was like, would anybody actually come and sit down and watch this live stream? I wasn't sure what to expect because I think people always want to see something, and I was showing a point blank screen. I didn't know whether people were going to watch it. There were times where people stayed, and I was wondering, why would somebody just sit down and staring into space, because this was point blank. Nothing was actually showing, and I wasn't playing any sound in the background. After the first 1 hour, there was no sound again. The remaining part of the 4 hours was nothing was actually playing, and I didn't want to interact. It was a silent live stream, so having to talk, having to do anything was going to defeat the purpose of it being passively getting me watch hour. Something like I just drop my phone by the side and still continue with my day's job, because people scroll down the street of YouTube and they see that you're on live and they'll be like, let me check what this person is doing, and they will come on live. That watch hour is going to count as a public watch hour because the person joined you live. I tried to ask the viewer to engage, but they were not engaging, but they were coming in and they were dropping out. Did it work? Yeah, it actually did work somehow, you may say. This is my YouTube studio, so this is the live stream I'm talking about. We had 61 views, concurrent viewers, people watching at the same time. We had 2 people watching at the same time. Chat and messages and reactions. We have 3 chats, messages while live. Audience retention, it didn't say. As you can see, we stayed here 4 hours 53 seconds. And real time, we had 40 people coming in from feed. Yes, another thing is that since it's a mobile live stream, I'm streaming with my mobile phone. So many people will be coming in from short feeds to watch this live. So let's go over to reach. Let's see how many people it reach. My live stream got 75 impressions, and impression click-through rate is 1.3%. Views, like we've seen, is 61. How viewers found my video: 65% of the people that found this video found it through short feed. Browse feature was 11.5%. YouTube search, you can see the percentage all displayed here. YouTube search term they use was grow. So people are actually interacting with this live. Let's go over to engagement tab. I got 1.3 watch hours, which is not what I expected. I was expecting to bat a lot of watch hour. The average view duration was 1 minute 20 seconds. So on the average, each people that joined my live stayed 1 minute 20 seconds to watch this live. Like versus dislike, I got 3 likes on the live. There's no data to show for my audience. Maybe later they might show me data. So the data I have under the audience is that watch time from subscribers, and 7.8% of the people that watched were not subscribed, and 2.2% of them were my subscribers. It wasn't quite what I expected, but it definitely helped. It helped me in gaining knowledge about this silent live stream, because I've seen a lot of creators say get 4,000 watch hours with live stream. So I decided to try it. There was no harm in trying. So if you're thinking of live streaming, I think it's a good thing because it can be helpful for you to be consistent on YouTube. It might not be silent, it might be something you show your face on, but I'm not usually pumped to talk every time, so I wanted to try the silent live stream. One thing I noticed that it does to your channel is that it makes your channel active. It's coming up on people's feed and people are seeing that you're live. If they are checking out your live and nothing is happening there, they might decide to check your other videos. This is my thought and this is what I've seen that happens. All the while I've done live, it brings up engagement and interactiveness on my videos. People want to see because I have good thumbnails, like fairly good. Yeah, they are good. When it comes to the thumbnail expert, I don't think, I feel like they are not up to standard, but I have fairly good thumbnails. And when they see that, they want to see what I did in the video and engage. So I think it's a great way to engage your audience. Would I do it again? Yes, I'm going to try it again. But this time I'm going to be more strategic. I think I'm going to share my screen when I'm trying to make tutorials, how the process of me learning and creating a tutorial video that I post on my channel. This is what I would do. So if you cook on your channel, depending on whatsoever you do, depending on what your niche is, you might decide what it is that you can use as a silent live stream. People are always walking down the streets of YouTube looking for something to watch, and live engagement is actually the key. Some people engage with you live, but most of my viewers, I think people that watch my videos, only 86% of my viewers, 9% of my viewers watch both my videos and my live stream, and only 5% watch live. Before now, I didn't get this 5% because I wasn't doing live. So it's a new way to gain more audience if you're trying to reach out to more people, and because you're streaming with your mobile phone, it's being shown to people who are on the shorts feed. I think it's a great way to get more viewers. You should try it sometime. That is if you're looking for watch hour. But would like to keep on trying this when I get monetized? Yes, I will try it then. But it's also a great way to interact with your audience, that if they want to come on with you. But given that my channel is a tutorial channel and people just want to get information and dash out, getting them to interact is quite interesting. But this is a new way to get more audience that would interact with you, who would naturally not know anything to do with your tutorials, but they are here for you to see you or to see whatever it is you're displaying on your silent live stream. But it's not a quick fix. You should know that you need to be patient and give it time to grow. Like I always say, things takes time to grow. For me, I've gotten up to the half of the watch hour. I'm just looking for the other half. With a little more, I'll be in the partner program, but it's not actually a quick fix. I tried it and this is what happened. Should you try it? It's up to you. It's a decision to know, will this work for me? And let me know in the comments if you've tried a silent live stream, whether it worked for you, whether silent or not silent, whether the live stream is working for you. Share your knowledge in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Do have a good one.